Okay, so for our digital project number one, we chose the portrait of Adele Bloch Bauer, the second painting. For the love languages depicted in the painting, I put gift giving. In the background, there's pictures of horses and children, so it just seemed like kids playing on them. She was a socialite and wealthy, so she might have gifted the kids the horses in the community. And then the types of love depicted in the painting, I chose agape, which is universal love for strangers. And I said basically the same thing, maybe revisiting an old community and giving back to the children.
I also chose agape love simply because of the love for humanity and the love for everyone that Adele has. It shows in her facial expression. I also say this because Adele looks very sad in the painting. To me, it looks like she's holding back tears. Her facial expression is bare and her skin is very pale. In the background, to me, it looks like maybe a riot or a war is about to begin in the community. There are men on horses that look like they're holding up torches going into the community. Um, the people in the community are coming out of their homes and they're probably confused about what's going on. They're seeing people on horses holding up what looks like a torch coming into their community. Um, that could be the reason why Adele looks sad because her community is about to be destroyed into pieces. Mm. This could also mean peace before war. The colors in the painting are very bright with flowers, but when the war begins, it would be dark and the flowers would die and the community would be tarnished. I feel like this painting stands out on its own and it doesn't really connect to any other paintings just due to the fact that it's different. It has a different feel than all the other paintings that he's painted to me. Um,
Yeah. So I had a completely different take on this painting. Um, I put the elements that stood out the most to me was the pastel colors. I said that it gave off a gentle feeling or like a soft feeling. And the flowers in the grass, it looked like she was walking on like what seems to be like a trail or something. Um, and then the size of her, it makes her stand out as a person, almost seems like a painting of who she is. And then I said that these elements do contribute to the depiction of love because I said that love is gentle, kind, and soft, and that's exactly what the picture represents. And then I said that the connection to another painting, I said that it is opposite of the love painting that we discussed, which was the guy. Do you remember, like the demons? It was the
yeah,
demons and like the girl and the guy, and I said that it was really dark and it seemed to be like demons in the painting, maybe multiple mistresses. Um, and I said that the love there was depicted as dark, secretive, and dangerous, which is completely opposite of this picture. And then I said overall, my feelings of the painting, it just seems like she's either visiting a community or a community she used to live in, and she was giving gifts to the kids, and then she was walking down what seems to be a floral pathway, maybe to another community to get more gifts.
piggyback off in what you said. The patterns in the painting, they look like something you would see on a quilt. Like if your grandma sewed you up a little quilt or a little blanket, it looks like something that you see on the quilt. Yes, we do have different perspectives. I think a war is about to happen.
Yeah, and I
Like it's
think
about
of
to
like
break out.
gentle and
Like
soft.
I don't know. I just feel like something's about to go down,
Right.
and she knows it's about to go down. So she's just kind of scared a little scared,
Yeah.
a little sad. I feel like she loves everyone like that's there. Like she knows what's about to happen. It looks like she's coming. Something is to like downtown, maybe a little. Where I'm from, it looks like
Hmm.
the pathway, and then the background. Maybe she's like in a downtown area. Um,
Yeah, I can see what you mean by like her being sad because there's a lot of balloons. Then this like the bottom on what she's walking on could be like raindrops, like the little circles or like tears or something like that.
little petals,
Yeah,
or little lily pads with little frogs on them, if there were frogs on them.
yeah.
This painting kind of clouds my understanding of the types of love, only because, like I said, I only see agape love in here, not necessarily the other love languages that we discussed in class. So I'm not really sure if this picture depicts love at all, in my opinion.
I don't know if I'd put it, but okay, in contrast to what she said, I said that it clarified my understanding of this type of love because it shows what love should be, which is gentle, giving, and selfless.